Oliver the Otter. Oliver the Otter, so happy and bright, float on the river from morning till night. He splashes and wiggles, he dives with delight, playing in water, what a funny sight. With tiny paws he holds a shell tight, cracking it open with all of its might. He naps on his back under sun so warm, dreaming of fish in a watery form. With friends by his side, they giggle and glide, holding hands gently as they drift with the tide. O Oliver Otter, so playful and free, dancing with waves in the big blue sea. Please like, subscribe, and share.